Hi guys. Um Today I got a thrift haul. Guys, you guys know that January 9th is the Tablescape Tuesday and I am a guest host and we are doing a tablescape white and pink vantage. And when we say white and pink vantage, if you don't have vantage items, you can always do something that it look vantage. You could DIY for your table. You can make things look vantage. Google it and look at all the videos for reference. But since it's gonna be a Valentine table in the dollar plus section of the Dollar Tree, my husband took me to a different Dollar Tree. I found this table runner. Guys, I was gonna make my own. I had everything in the carriage to make my own, and it would have cost me more making it than just buying a runner. This runner was $3. That was on the $3 section. And of course, guys, I found some flowers finally, because my other Dollar Tree they still have Christmas flower. I mean, even though it's gonna be in January, I am going to be using some of my flowers that I have for Christmas, like the white ones. I'm going to be using the white poinsettias, but I also wanted to have roses, so I got um, this. This is purple, lavender, however you want to call it, and they actually that color that you see, that's what the colors that they are. So I only got one of these. So yeah, guys, and I also got the one the roses that they are called tea roses. So I think it says tea. I don't have my glasses. I'm blind without them. But that's what there it is. I believe it says tea roses. So I got this one and I got some in lavender, guys. I got 3 in lavenders. And I got one of these little white pigs to put out a flower arrangement for the tablescape. And I got some other things that are not have to do with Valentine, like for example, sponges. Um, I got one of these. This cost me $1.25, and this is 13 ounces. Guy, this smells so good. It smells like one of those Furby brands that you buy with a different scent. But this is for air freshener, for smoke odors eliminator. Well, we do not smoke in the house. We do not smoke at all. My husband is a smoker, but he smokes outside. But I bought this because it smells so good. I sprayed it in the house, and the house smells so fresh. So I got that. I was looking for the one for allergen. Um, a lot of people ask me about my eye thing, and I have uh, stigmatism. It have to do with the eye thing, but also I suffer from allergies all year round. This is why you guys, I always got eye drops, but I get tired of putting eye drops. I put it when it's very severe. Um, Also, I got 2 of the um, white candles from the Dollar Tree. What I do with this one, guys, I DIY this one. So I don't know, you just go on one of my previous videos. I also DIY some in black and gold. Guys, this video is part of the open collaboration called Spur of the Moment. So I didn't have this. I had a plan to go to the Dollar Tree, but I really was not gonna go today. But it was a spur of the moment that I decided to go. So I have my husband take me, and he took me. Guys, I also grabbed some diamond wrap. I grabbed some diamond wrap for my DIYs. Yes, I will be doing DIY, guys, and of course floor foam. And with these are kids' little ring. You guys can see, but I'm going to turn these rings. I don't know if I could. I just bought it. I mean, it's only $1.25, but I want to see if I can. This thing's open. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I could take this ring, take the, oh yeah, I could do that. I could just cut this over here on the top and take the heart and glue it. Do you know those shower curtain, the shower curtain rings? They are come clear. You get them at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to see uh, with my, I'm going to either use hot glue or crazy glue, and I'm going to put one of each color like this to create a napkin ring. So that's my plan, guys. That's my plan for that. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to use this because I just noticed it looks orange, but it's like a light red. But anyways, I'm going to see if I could use that to do my own napkin rings. And also, guys, I grabbed two of these bling wrap. These are peel and stick. I bought this color, as you guys can see. They're cute. And I also grabbed the diamond color one. So this I'm going to use this to bling bling my candles. Okay. Also, a lot of you guys know, I've mentioned it before, I'm going to be turning my Christmas tree. I have a pencil tree. It's white, flocked, and it's already pre-lighted. I went with the idea of looking for some pink light bulbs. They didn't have any. So I want to see if I go somewhere else and find pink lights. But I grabbed some of these uh, picks with the thing to put on my Christmas tree. I grabbed two of these. I only grabbed one of these because they only have one of these. And I also found more of these guys. And also I got a pink. This is where it says magenta. This one. So to paint some little balls for a garland. And also I grabbed a love sign. I'm going to be painting this and I'm going to be blinging it out. And I want to do a vantage style because I want to use it for my table scape. Yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today. And remember, guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.